Welcome! In this video tutorial, you'll see how to create a simple bar graph in Excel. Using a graph is a great way to present your data in an effective visual way. Let's have a look. Excel offers many different chart types, and choosing just the right kind of graph can make your data presentation clear and engaging. In the previous tutorials, we learned how to make a line graph and also pie chart. In this tutorial, we'll take some time to explore the bar graph, specifically how to use it to present monthly sales, which you can see in this table. First of all, as usual, we need to select the area with the relevant data, the data we want to present in the graph. Click on the Insert tab, go to section Charts, and select Bar Graph option. There are more graph design options to choose from, but for now, we'll pick the first one. Excel will immediately draw the graph and insert it in the spreadsheet. Now, let's see what we can do to improve the graph or customize it more to our liking. The position of the graph within the spreadsheet can be adjusted in a very simple way. Click on the blank space within the chart area, hold the left mouse button, and move the graph any direction to place it exactly where you need. You can easily adjust the size of the graph too, simply by clicking into any corner of the graph area on one of the little circles and dragging any direction until the size of the graph is just what you need it to be. Let's move on. The title of the graph now contains the caption Chart Title. Of course, you can name your graph anything you want. Just click on the caption to make it editable and type in your own title. And we're still not finished here. The color and design of the chart can also be easily changed according to your preference. Click on the blank space of the chart area again, go to Design tab and find the option Change Color to pick from a selection of colors. In addition, the whole graph design can be changed in a similar way. Go to Design tab once again, look for Chart Styles, click on the drop-down arrow, and you'll see a list of options to choose from. You can select the style that suits you best. And here's one more thing before we finish. A graph in Excel is dynamic, which means that if you change any data in the source table, it will be reflected in the graph too. For example, we'll change the sales figure for August from 41 to 154. The graph has automatically updated to show this new value. If you're interested in learning more about other types of graphs,